What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is at a very critical level right now, as we can see, and I kept on saying it that I will definitely keep on making reference to this video until close of the monthly candle. So without even until we break below this trend line right here, and as you can see from the weekly, it's obvious that the trend line has been broken. Yes, it has been broken, as you can see, but the real question we should be asking is, have we actually broken it? Because you could see it clearly around this level that we broke below it all the way down to this level. We broke below it and we managed to recover, which was also on the weekly candle. So I think it's best for us not to assume, for us not to conclude that okay, it's time for the market to head lower. So but rather expect something positive from here, that okay, we had a very massive red candle, weekly candle. We are most likely now we are below this trend line. We are most likely going to recover by breaking above this resistance, which was serving as a support. Find support around here and we could rally further. It's either we expect this from the weekly candle, or we sorry about that, or we most likely from the monthly time frame close above this trend line, because we could still see right here that we've not actually broken below this trend line until we drop around until we are below 85,900. Then we can say that we have actually dropped, or we've closed below this trend line. So we are good on the monthly, because it is the monthly candle that we're using to analyze this particular chart. So now from the 4 hours time frame right here, we could see it clearly that Bitcoin even went below my expectation. You could see I was expecting to drop probably to on this particular chart, I was expecting to drop all the way down to 87,370, but rather we saw ourselves dropping all the way down to this level at $86,000. So not bad. I was still expecting us to drop that low, especially given the fact that if you look at this particular chart, I was expecting us to drop all the way down to 85,800 level, and that's basically what is actually happening right here. Though we did not really hit $85,808, we managed to drop all the way down to 85,000 one way or the other. So I think we dropped all the way to 85,000. Let me check that here, 85,000 or roughly 86,000. So this is very, very good to see. My analysis, everything are coming to play right here. From the daily time frame here, you could see it clearly that we are still in a downtrend, in the sense that we are still breaking below support, and we are not able to break resistances when we should. So you could see we made higher high here, and right here we are making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So the question right now is, are we going to, let's forget about this pump. The question is, are we going to be able to break above $89,750? Until we're able to break above this level, then we could rally into the 92,000 or 93,000 levels. If not, we are most likely going to be consolidating within this level until we majorly break towards the downside or to the upside. Because if we should break below the support right here at 85,000 or 86,000 level, we're most likely going to be dropping into 79, $80,000 level. So I think that's just basically it for gold. Gold has, sorry about that, for gold has actually been doing very well. I made it known to us that we are most likely going to be hitting this resistance right here at $5,082. That is definitely the resistance I was expecting, and you could see it is definitely playing out right here. So without even wasting much of our time right here, we could also see it clearly that it's either we drop all the way down here to find support within this level right here, and we keep on rallying towards the top side, or we are most likely going to be breaking out from here immediately, finding support towards this level, and then rallying further. Our next major resistance for gold is most likely going to be $5,260. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from gold anytime soon, guys. I will definitely be here to keep us updated on what to expect. So yeah, I think gold is most likely going to keep on rallying because US shutdown will be starting, US government shutdown will be starting, and which is today. And Trump already threw a threat at Canada that just in case they go into any deal with China, he will impose 100% tariff on Canada. So that is just basically it. That's definitely what will lead to some fall today, market volatility and all whatnot. But I'll definitely be here to keep us updated. For S&P 500, S&P 500 has been stable, so we are definitely finding support around here. If you're watching my videos, you definitely know that this was definitely to be expected. If we're going to be spiking down, we are most likely going to be spiking to this level right here at $6,878 before probably rallying up, or we break below this level and dump even lower. So we could see that this is definitely what is playing out right here. So all you just have to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.